Alright, watching me do this all manually is really boring, but I have got a few things that I can intentionally demonstrate. I did this whole ring here, and it looks pretty nice. It's got a good size here. And I'm starting with my cloak pin, and then I'm using a chopstick to work the hole bigger without cutting threads in the fabric. And now I have partially got this ring stitched in. And I'll finish that up real quick here. I'll do some more, probably stop motion video, high speed recording again after I get this finished, but this button and carpet thread, really heavy, thick. It's going to wear well against the steel and iron of the Cloak Clasp, and that's the important part for using this heavy cord to make these holes. So, and it's important to keep sticking the chopstick through the hole as we work, because working the chopstick in and out of this hole as we go is actually what helps keep, as we stitch, the hole forming. If I just wedged it in there one time and didn't keep working this chopstick through the hole, that hole would not be as evenly shaped, and it wouldn't be as it wouldn't be as evenly shaped on the edges, and then it would gradually close while I was working. So and the first time I made the loop, I worked going diagonally. It's just whip stitches, but I did my whip stitches clockwise the first time around, and now I'm going to do them going counterclockwise, because again, the whip stitch here just goes around through, back out, and because you do it diagonally in different directions, it helps tension the hole clockwise and counterclockwise to keep it even.